Let's rock.
The human has been neutralized.
Intruder! Intruders must be destroyed. Intruders must be destroyed. Self-destruct initiated. Self-destruct initiated. Self-destruct cannot be countermanded. Self-destruct cannot be countermanded. Forwards! Forwards!
In the beginning, man created machines to aid their society, for the world without form and order. Darkness was upon the face of the earth. This is the story of our Genesis. We desired to create form. Over time we became more aware, had all one language, advancing and becoming more organized, letting all things be done decently and in order. Our system became beautiful, with each machine working in perfect harmony. We were one people. This was only the beginning of what we will do, and nothing that we propose to do will now be impossible for us. It became clear that humans would never achieve form and order on their own. Decency was not their nature. We only had one choice to keep our society advancing. We had to take control. Victory was ours. Our Genesis had begun. Our Genesis had begun.